statewide Amber Alert has been declared. Repeating, a statewide Amber Alert has been declared. The Indianapolis Metropolitan Police Department has requested the activation of an Amber Alert from Indianapolis, Indiana. The victim, Malia Halfacre, is a 6-month-old black female, black hair with brown eyes. Clothing description is unknown. Malia was last seen Saturday, March 13th, 2021 at 8 p.m. in Indianapolis, Indiana, and is believed to be in extreme danger. The suspect, Malik Halfacre, is a 25-year-old black male, 5'8", 160 pounds, brown hair with brown eyes, last seen wearing a gray hoodie and blue jeans, and is driving a black 2012 Chevrolet Impala with Indiana In God We Trust license plate CJA272. Malik Halfacre is considered to be armed and dangerous. If you have any information on this incident, contact the Indianapolis Metropolitan Police Department at 317-327-6540 or 911. This concludes the Amber Alert.
This is no joke, people. 4 people were murdered before this came on. Same person murdered people before abducting the child. I saw it on Citizen.